Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at the Singofire red light therapy panel. This has 70 LEDs. It's got 660 and it's also got 850 nanometers. So dual wavelengths, it's got red light and it's also got infrared. If you want to know the benefits of both, I suggest you look that up online. It's got the stand on the back here for standing up. It's also got these spots here for the fan to go ahead and cool off the system. And it's got these nice feet here that keep your desktop protected when you have it resting. It's also got these two screws up top. You can go ahead and hang this thing if you like. It's also got some other attachments over here. Comes with these nice green glasses to protect your eyes. I find they work very well. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. You got the side here, you can press red, you'll see the red indicator light, and then near infrared it'll turn green. You can go ahead and set a timer, so we got 5 minutes going right there. And there is the red light itself. It gets the job done, super high quality, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.